In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to view downloads on Mac. So I'll show you how to do it if you're on Google Chrome and how to do it if you're on Safari. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so here I am on Google Chrome. In order to find your downloads, all you need to do is to click on the top right corner where we have the three icons, go over to downloads, and here you can see some of the downloads I've had in the recent couple of days. So yesterday I downloaded Audacity. To view it, all you need to do is to click on the file icon here to show you the download in Finder, and automatically you can see it here. In order to do this on Safari, it's pretty simple as well. All you need to do is to go over to view and then click on show downloads, and you can see the most recent download I just had here. You need to click on the mirror icon to show the file in Finder, or alternatively you can just click on the bottom down button here that's on the top right corner that shows show downloads, and you would be able to access the downloaded file. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.